Hi, Stephanie here again, and today isn't exactly a topper review, but it is taking some of these, I'm going to take 3 of the uniwigs toppers for a test drive. In the comments section, one of the questions that has come up a few times has been how durable are the clips? Like if I get a topper, is it going to shift? The answer that I have for you is no, but just so that you can see for yourself, I'm going to put on 3 different toppers and I'm going to give them a little tug and I'm going to give them a little head movement so that you can see exactly what happens with 3 different toppers that have different clip placements. So first is the newest topper that I have, which is the Savannah. Now the Savannah has 4 pressure sensitive clips and a comb in the front. Now I thought that the comb wouldn't really do very much, but to be honest, it actually helps it actually anchors the topper more than I had originally thought. So I'm just going to slide this comb in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's do a little test here. Let's shake from side to side. Lean back, lean forward, shake again, in place. Now let's give it a tug. Tug, tug, tug from the behind, tug, tug. Now what you have seen here has shifted a little bit, but really it's not coming off, even with a tug. So it just means you'd have to kind of shift it back into place. So now let's try the Courtney topper. And as you can see also, my hair loss is quite progressed in that I don't have a lot of hair up here. So even with not a lot of hair to grab onto, even on the sides, if you really look, it is very thin. And it still manages to stay in place. Now let's put the Courtney on and let's do the same test. Here we go. Line up those parts. Clip, clip. Courtney doesn't have a front clip, but it has 4 clips around the sides. Okay, now let's do this again. Let's do a shake. Shake, 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 shake. Still in place. Lean forward. Lean back. Still in place. Now let's do the tug test. Tug, 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 tug. Tug, 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 tug. Tug from behind. Now, as you can see, the tug from behind moves it a little bit, but nothing that can't be re-put in place very easily. I think that the biggest fear is that it's just going to slide right off. And let's put those fears to rest. It's not just going to slide right off. I know I have a 6-month-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they both tug on my toppers and they have not ever come off yet. Let's try one more. Now this one is the Aura topper, and this topper has more clips and one in the front. So let's see if this one performs even better. All right, get this lined up here. Let's do the clip in the front, side, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so let's do the shake test. Shake, 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 forward, back. All right, now let's do the tug test. Tug, 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 tug. I think that out of the 3, all of them performed really well. The Aura has done the best because we haven't even seen a shift back because it has that clip in the front. One of the questions I also received is, what if I don't have a lot of hair in the front? How are the clips going to work at the front? I have very little hair in the front, and there is still enough that it anchors it in place. So in terms of the 3, not that this was a competition between toppers, the Aura definitely stays put the most. The Courtney and Savannah are still really great, but you did see it shift a little bit in the front when I tugged in the back. But really, for the most part, no one is no one's really going to be tugging your topper in the back, but that was the only one that you saw where it actually kind of moved back a little bit. But as I said, really easy to slide it back in place. If you have any other questions about toppers, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm happy to do any kind of reviews like this again. Till next time, thanks and bye.